Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Maximizing utility for Octavia's budget is easier than you think. Let's find the exact condition that balances her yogurt and cracker spending right now. To maximize total utility, a consumer must allocate their limited budget so that the last dollar spent on each good provides the same amount of additional satisfaction or marginal utility. Mathematically, we express this by setting the marginal utility of yogurt divided by its price equal to the marginal utility of crackers divided by their price. This ensures total efficiency. At this point, the consumer cannot gain happiness by shifting money between goods. This leads directly to the correct equation shown in option B. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to pick similar-looking fractions and always trust the given marginal utility rules.